What up, YouTube? I have a 2009 Civic Si. Crank, no start, when hot. I'm taking some notes on it right now. I'm hopefully going to be videotaping this shit show. It's really rare that I get a car that I can't figure out right away. I really only spent 2 hours of diagnostic time on it. I was able to confirm that timing was pretty much there. There was spark and fuel. Seems to be flooding out the cylinders. The car's been sitting for a couple of months, so we have to be sure gas is okay. But I wanted to go over a couple of other things. I need to see voltage values from the plugs, the engine temperature sensor plugs.